It's blowing very, very hard. There's the snow starting to drift on the front porch. That's what it looks like across the street. Look up in the trees. It is cold. The wind chill factor is 3. I'm just about to go in. I thought about going out and starting my car, see if it'd maybe just to get the fluids. There's an idiot in a pickup truck. There's been a few people racing up and down 9th Street in a pickup truck. And they're asking for trouble. You just can't really believe, you know, Ann and John Jay, I don't think that you can ever remember the snow blowing so hard. I mean, this is a blizzard. Like it comes and goes. I mean, now it's really picking up. I'm going to kind of move the camera a little bit. I may go around the other side. I doubt it. It's just, I mean, I want to get some good video. But I'm not real sure if it's worth it or not. Good Lord. Well, my hands are starting to freeze up, so I'm going to go in. You probably can't see it real well, but their mother has the door shut in the front of the house, and she's put the lock on the bottom, but snow and ice has blown under the door. I was going to open the door to look out the front, and I don't know whether I will or not now. Now these pictures are being taken through the front room windows. Now she has storm windows on here, so there's protected, but you can sure see the snow starting to drift on the porch. Well, kind of what I thought. This is snow. You can see it inside the storm door. And that's the snow that's piled up on the window. This is the snow on the door. I guess I better shut it before I get caught in here. But I cannot believe I've never seen snow in the house like this. It is blowing so hard you can hear it. It's almost like a tornado, the sound. The video may not, let's see, let me get into the glass here. Now this is the storm blowing right at us out of the north. I don't know who these idiots are out on the road, but it's ice. The road's ice covered with snow, and it's all blowing. You can see this snow blowing across the street. Here's the front porch. Now, my watch is 10 till 4, and this is supposed to continue like this until around 10 o'clock tonight. Can you all hear that? Look at this. I mean, this is just unbelievable. Now, they have declared a state of emergency for all 77 counties here in Oklahoma. I don't think we're going to need anything, but people in the major cities and the major thoroughfares, those that were, well, I don't want to say stupid enough to get out, but I'm sure they had things they had to do, but they've completely blocked all the roads. And it's, you know, it's not a continual 40 or 50 mile an hour wind, but it gusts from time to time. And it's going to continue blowing even after the snow stops. Well, before this melts, I'm going to have to get a picture of it with my other camera. But that is snow on the inside of the storm door that has come through. It's all melted here on the door. Better shut it. Okay, that's all.